Hi, my name is Kaylee, and my dream is to go to Hollywood and be a singer and be a softball player. And I'm 8 years old, and I'm a straight A student, and I make good grades, and I'm very smart, and I love running, and I love dancing, and I really skate, and I'm a fast skater, and I do a great job, and I have a good attitude, and a model, and I'm I very love singing, and the most person who I like is P. Sanders, and I hope he gives me a gift. And I want to meet him so bad. I want him to give me his autograph, and I love him so much. I can't help it, and I can't wait to see him and get his autograph. Bye.